Think cruises are all about relaxation and fun? Here's what they don't tell you. Every part of your trip is designed to make you spend more. Even before you step on the gangway, your wallet is already part of their business plan. One surprising example, those handy prepaid gratuities that sound courteous but give away your best bargaining chip. Once you've paid, service quality doesn't matter. You've already tipped. But don't worry. These 16 cruise secrets and hacks will help you dodge the traps, stretch your budget, and enjoy better service without spending extra. Let's start with what they hope you'll never think to question. Before you even board, the cruise line starts setting hooks. The first is the prepaid gratitude myth. Paying tips in advance seems polite, but it removes your leverage. When crew know your gratuities are already handled, there's no incentive to go the extra mile. Instead, keep them adjustable until the end. You'll find service gets more personal when your appreciation is visible and tied to actual performance. Next, the price drop trick. Fares fluctuate constantly, and cruise lines won't notify you when prices drop after you've paid. Keep checking your cruise fare online. If you notice a decrease before final payment or within the reprice window, call customer service and request a refund or onboard credit. Many experienced cruisers save hundreds just by tracking this. Then there's the early excursion trap. Yes, booking excursions through the cruise feels safe, but you're paying a premium, sometimes twice the local rate. Research independent tours with solid reviews and guarantee policies that match the ship's schedule. You'll often get smaller groups, better experiences, and serious savings. The insurance upsell also drains wallets unnecessarily. The in-house policies bundled during booking might cover only partial issues. Compare independent travel insurance instead. Same or better protection at lower cost. Finally, the Wi-Fi package timing secret. Cruise lines push guests to prepay internet before departure, but mid-voyage deals often appear mid-week. Wait until you're on board to check. Many passengers save 20 to 40% this way. You've boarded, bags unpacked, and you're ready to relax. Now the onboard traps start. Once you're sailing, the money magnets multiply. The first is the funny package math. It feels convenient. Unlimited cocktails, specialty coffees, sodas. But break down the numbers. At $70 per person per day, you'd need around 7 cocktails every single day just to break even. And if your cabin mate buys it, you usually must too, whether or not you drink. A smarter approach? Pay as you go. Most moderate drinkers spend far less this way. Grab the daily drink specials, enjoy a glass here and there, and save the rest for real experiences. Speaking of specials, the daily drink special scam deserves attention. Those colorful discount cocktails are built with bottom shelf liquor and sugary mixes. They cost the cruise about $1 to make, but sell for 9 times that. Ask what's really in the special before ordering, or just stick to classic cocktails that actually deliver flavor. Next comes the embarkation day buffet trap. Everyone runs to the buffet the moment they board. Lines everywhere, food sitting under heat lamps, and chaos as people fight for tables. Savvy cruisers quietly head to the main dining room for lunch instead. You'll find freshly cooked meals, real table service, and a peaceful start that feels like you already outsmarted half the ship. Hidden gems also exist if you know where to look. That's the hidden free dining spots secret. Beyond the buffet and main dining room, most ships have smaller quiet spots like late-night pizza corners, poolside grills, or complimentary cafes with made-to-order food. Room service is often free for basic items, and breakfast on your balcony beats elbowing through crowds. Ask the crew where they eat. They'll often share the best unadvertised places. Then there's the power strip ban workaround. Cabins usually have just 2 outlets, and most extension cords get confiscated by security for safety reasons. The fix is simple. Bring a USB-only hub without surge protection. It's compact, allowed on board, and lets you charge phones, cameras, and tablets at once. A small hub can make your cabin feel twice as functional. The photo scam is another cash drain. Onboard photographers snap pictures at dinner, on the gangway, even near the pool. Later, you'll find them displayed for $25 or more each, blurred or awkward shots you might not even like. Instead, take photos at the same scenic spots with your phone or camera. Ask a fellow passenger or crew member to help, and you'll get better pictures for free. The cabin upgrade illusion trick seems tempting. Guaranteed upgrades sound like free luxury, but it often means taking whatever cabin they assign, even if it's right above a nightclub or beside an engine shaft. Predictability beats risk here. Choose your exact cabin instead, using a deck plan to avoid noisy or high traffic zones. You'll rest better and feel smarter for skipping the so-called upgrade. Now, a subtler one, the casino cashback trick. If you gamble a little on board, quietly ask guest services or the casino host about loyalty credits. Many ships return small percentages of your play as onboard credit. You don't need to be a high roller. Just use your cruise card for every transaction so your gameplay records accurately. Even 5% back can pay for drinks or souvenirs later. Let's dig deeper into the behavior shaping your habits. Every part of the ship layout encourages spending. Shops near elevators, bars beside theaters, paths that route you past jewelry counters on the way to dinner. Cruise companies know psychology. The relaxing lighting, friendly greetings, daily reminders all keep spending frictionless. Once you see it, you start noticing how much is manufactured temptation dressed as convenience. You'll also encounter pop-up promotions. These are limited time sales for spa treatments or specialty dinners, yet they appear every day. Never buy at the first offer. Wait a day or two. You'll often find the same deal cheaper when the ship wants to fill empty slots. Another subtle expense trap? Laundry packages. You'll see per-bag offers that seem affordable until you realize how little fits in one small bag. Instead, pack quick-dry clothing or bring portable detergent sheets. Most bathrooms have retractable lines for hanging clothes. Save the pressing fee for something actually special. And even entertainment can do it. Bingo jackpots, art auctions, or seminars. Many advertise free entry but push optional paid extras mid-event. It's fine to attend for fun. Just know the pitch is built in. Treat it like browsing, not buying. Every sale that sounds like limited time is about perception, not scarcity. Cruise ships depend on guests treating daily pricing like once-in-a-lifetime chances. Being aware flips the game. When you take time to think instead of react, the spell breaks. Suddenly you notice that a free tasting leads to a discounted upgrade and a VIP add-on. So, as you sip your reasonably priced cocktail and watch others chase deals, remember, controlling your impulses saves far more than avoiding fees. Cruises aren't scams. They're finely tuned marketing machines. Know that, and you can enjoy the best parts, the ocean views, great food, friendly staff, without being another easy target. You've mastered the money traps, but even experienced cruisers miss what's happening behind the scenes. Once you've figured out how to save money on board, there's one more layer, the human side, and the hidden systems most passengers never think about. Let's start with the crew interaction secret. The crew works incredibly hard, often for months without long breaks, and many guests treat them like part of the background. But small gestures go a long way. Handing a cabin steward or favorite bartender a small cash tip, $10 or $20 on the very first day, can set the tone for the entire voyage. They'll often remember your name, anticipate your preferences, and make sure little touches, like quicker service or better table placement, happen without you asking. It's not manipulation, it's appreciation expressed directly. For even fairer balance, you can keep automatic gratuities to support the wider team while still rewarding standout individuals. Either way, a personal thank you in face value means more than a faceless charge on your bill. Next comes the privacy illusion, something that surprises many cruisers. Cabin doors are not completely private spaces. Cruise security and stewards have master access and can enter for maintenance, inspections, or emergencies. Sometimes without warning. It's standard procedure, not intrusion, but being aware makes a big difference. Use the deadbolt or interior latch when you're inside. If you want more peace of mind, bring a small portable door lock or wedge for nighttime. And always cover the peephole if it doesn't have a built-in shutter. Simple changes create an extra sense of control in what's still their floating workplace. What looks like paranoia is just smart travel etiquette on a ship where thousands share close quarters. Then there's the tracking technology most guests forget about. Your room card or wearable wristband isn't only for purchases. It logs your movements to improve crowd control and sales strategies. Cruise lines use this data to manage staffing, adjust promotion timing, and sometimes send targeted offers to your TV or app. It might feel invasive, but you can actually turn it to your advantage. The system records where and when transactions occur, which means it can help you dispute incorrect charges. If something shows up on your bill that you didn't buy, guest services can verify your location and fix it fast. Families can also use tracking features for convenience. The app view helps you keep tabs on kids or friends on board without constant texting. Understanding how this network works transforms it from a privacy concern into a handy safety and budget tool. So, from cash tips to quiet caution, the theme here is awareness. Every interaction, every system, every smiling offer has layers. When you know them, you keep control of your experience, your comfort, and your wallet. From the farewell photo to the final swipe of your key card, the economics of a cruise are built on psychology, not transparency. The more you recognize that, the more freedom you actually feel. Knowing their playbook means they can't overcharge you again. Every so-called convenience, from prepaid tips to loyalty upgrades, carries a quiet price tag. But knowledge is leverage. Now that you understand how small choices, when to buy, when to wait, and when to say no, change everything, you can enjoy genuine luxury without unnecessary spending. Smart planning doesn't limit your fun, it protects it. If you want more insider cruise strategies like these, make sure to subscribe and join our Cruise Insider community. We post new guides each week on hidden perks, freebies, and smarter booking moves that save real money. It's the perfect follow-up to keep your next voyage unforgettable for all the right reasons.